how to turn on or turn off suggested replies for chat and text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or S26 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then tap on Writing Assist. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Suggested Replies. From here, tap on the toggle button at the top to turn off or switch on Suggested Replies for text messages or chat messages. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Okay, so here I have text messages, and you can see at the top here I also have auto suggestions, but on the at the bottom here, just above the keyboard, I've got the writing assist, auto text suggestions as well. They are different to the one from the top, and here it is. So you can use the one here, and then you can reply, or you can reply through the one at the top here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.